First of all, I got myself a new plant. Okay. Hi guys. So as we all know, during this time period that we're in, I'm not gonna say what it is because you already know. I thought to myself, why not just do some DIY decor that would usually cost me so much more to purchase, but I thought, why not just make it myself? They're really easy and I get to save myself some coin too. So that is what this video is about. Super late, super random. I just felt like doing it today, so I thought I'm just gonna vlog the process and show you guys, in case you're like, how did you do that? I thought I'd vlog this process of me doing some DIY. I like barely do DIY projects. I'm someone that's like, work smarter, not harder. But I don't know, I've been feeling really creative lately, so it's time to get it done. It's time to get it done. It's 10:39. I'm feeling a little tired, but I'm excited to like do these and set it up. There's 3 DIYs I want to do, so I'm thinking one's gonna go up on this wall, and the one that's gonna go up on this wall, I'll leave like a screenshot on the screen of what it's supposed to look like, and then one's gonna go in my bathroom, and then one's gonna be a blanket. But this will be like separate videos. This will be like a mini series, so like 2 videos maybe, part 1, part 2, mini series. Is that, yeah, we'll roll with that. The first 2 projects, all my supplies were literally from the dollar store. I don't remember how much it cost right now. I'll find my receipt and put the price on this screen. Yeah, let's get into it. Also, before we get into it, I just want us all to appreciate my new faux plant that was on sale at Michael's, so I thought I'd pick it up. Yeah, there she is. There she is. And also, I'm a big believer in like your space has to be, I don't know, I just like very comfy vibes. I'd say my style is, if I had to put a label on it, I'd say I like very like white, fresh, airy, boho, modern boho style. I'd say it's more my style, my aesthetics. If you haven't subscribed, wow, 3 minutes into the video, now I ask you to subscribe. Join the fam, join the community, and yeah, let's get into the video. First of all, stay hydrated. Water's so good for you. So I'm gonna show you guys the items I got for the first DIY. You need some placemats. I got these from the dollar store, like I mentioned earlier. And then I got this cord, a jute cord. And then what I'm gonna be using as well is, you need some like glue sticks. And then I also got a mini gun glue over here as well. All right, so starting off, what you want to do is just start in the center and start gluing from that area. As you can see in the video, I'm literally just like wrapping it around. I'd recommend also working a little bit faster because the hot glue gun tends to dry out quick and you don't want to like be re-gluing it 2 or 3 times. It just gives it a little bit of a bulky look. So I'd recommend working a bit fast if you can. The crazy thing is, while I was doing this, I actually ended up running out of glue sticks. Like I had 18 and I thought that would be enough to wrap this whole thing, but clearly it wasn't enough, but it was okay and it ended up working out. I trimmed it and I didn't mind the look of it. Also, this process takes a little bit of time, so I think this took me about 25 minutes or so. So take your time with this process, put on a podcast or a movie or something to keep you entertained. Then once my hot glue gun ran out, I just snipped it and then went ahead and grabbed my scissors and just kind of trimmed around the circle. So this is what it looked like. And I was lazy to do the other 2, and I actually kind of like the look of how different each of them looks, like with the beige / tan looking placemat, and then the jute cord one that I covered, which is slightly smaller than the rest, and then the yellow one. I love yellow. If you know me, you know I love yellow. But yeah, this is what it actually ended up looking like. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, if you liked it. Also, how I got it on the wall was by using command strip. Actually really like the look of this with the glue on the outside.
Moving on to the second DIY project, what you need is this stick over here. I picked mine up from the dollar store at arts and crafts area, as well as some yarn. And what I did was I just measured out the length I would like, and then I went ahead, took that measurement, and then moved it over to my feet, and started to wrap it around. This is the fastest way to kind of get this done for myself, so that's kind of what I did. And then I went ahead and snipped it, put it on the stick, straightened it out, and then you're gonna have to do this process where you kind of just straighten things out, line it out. You will have some strips that are uneven, but that's okay. We're gonna be turning this into a V look, so that's okay. So I went ahead and started to knot the yarn on the stick. As you can see, what would make your life easier when doing this is take off all the yarn, actually take it off the stick, and then separate it evenly, and then put it back on, as you can see. And this will make your life so much easier. All right, so this process, trimming this process, trying to get your V-tapered look, this will take you a little bit of time. So take your time with this. Yeah, honestly, I found this to be harder than I expected, like cutting out the V and things like that. Like, it was like literally going back and forth. And then I went ahead and just grabbed my jute cord, wrapped it around the ends of the stick, and then took a thumbtack, put it in the wall in my bathroom, and just hung it. And then you can see I'm trimming a little bit as well.
This is what it looks like right now. I wanted to have more of a V look, and that's not happening. I'm gonna try, so I got my scissors with me. I'm gonna try and work on it some more and try and give it like that V look. If not, okay guys, so I'm happy with it like this. I'm tired of trying to get it like perfectly even and shit. So yeah, this is just gonna have to do, but I think it looks cute. Kind of looks like a V, but not really. I feel like it looks way better in person than on camera.
This is what the second DIY project looked like, the macrame. Let me know in the comments how you've enjoyed this video, and give this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching.